Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2016 on a 66 plate Volkswagen Up. This is the Move Up 1 litre petrol with a 5-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in tornado red, and it's covered 51,000 miles. So we'll have a good walk around to this cracking looking little Volkswagen Up, ever popular with us. I don't know how many we've sold over the years, but lots and lots and lots and lots of them. This is a November 2016 registered, 51,000 miles. It's had just the one private owner from brand new, owned by the same gentleman from new, and it comes supplied with a full and comprehensive 7-stamp Volkswagen main dealer service history, service right the way through its life at Volkswagen themselves. So mechanically extremely well maintained. You've got those nice 15-inch silver alloy wheels. Looks really well in the tornado red. This is a sort of facelift model. It's got the slightly different back end, and because it's a 66 plate and not a 17, you get the cheap road tax as well. So just £20 a year to tax, 50 plus miles to the gallon comfortably, and in a very low insurance group as well, group 3. So it really does tick all the boxes for a first time car, or if you're looking something to do the commuting in, or daily run around. Obviously you've got that 5-door practicality with this example as well. It's the Move Up, so decent level of specification. You've got the alloy wheels, remote central locking. It does come supplied with 2 remote keys. Interior is nice and clean and tidy. All the seats in good condition, no rips or tears or any nasties. As is the steering wheel in good shape. Door cards are in good condition. Electric front windows. It's got its original carpet mats as well. There's your 2 keys. Mileage, oh, you might have just seen it. I'll just start the car. 51,000, half tank of fuel as well. And it will come on. That's just the service light. There you go, 51,419. Down below we've got a manual handbrake, cup holder at the back, 5-speed manual gearbox, cup holder in front, a bit more storage. You've got a 12-volt socket. In the glove box we've got all your handbooks. Funky little dashboard, quite like this sort of carbon look finish. And then over to the infotainment, very straightforward. You've got DAB digital radio, you've got Bluetooth for your telephone, air conditioning at the top. Easy peasy. Really nice straightforward Volkswagen setup. Always ever so reliable, these Ups, which is why we like them. Into the back again, you've got your carpet mats in the rear, pop out rear windows, 2 seat belts, 2 headrests. You do get the ISOFIX for the child seat, so it's a 4-seater, plenty of headroom, quite a boxy shape to it, in good condition again. And then round to the back of the car. Excellent size boot space on these Ups, has to be said. Really decent sized boot space. Split folding rear seats, parcel shelf at the top. And a spare wheel to boot. So there we have it. November 2016 Volkswagen Up. Move Up, 1 litre in the tornado red, 51,000 miles from just the one owner, with a full Volkswagen main dealer service history. Cheap road tax model, low insurance group. Ticks a lot of the boxes like I've said before. Finance is available from less than £140 a month based on a 10% deposit. And the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory free MOT, 2 keys along with our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Nice example, excellent ownership and history. This will be very popular. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.